Hi there, this is Sanjay and I welcome you all to this English learning YouTube channel, English Every Day. In today's video, again, we'll be talking about Indian accent. As the last many videos, I have been trying to make you become more familiar with the Indian English, with different sounds, and we practice different vocabulary. Even though in some of the last videos, we have invited some people from India whom I had discussion. We discuss about the Indian marriage system, and there are many other topics we have included just to make you become more familiar with the Indian accent. So in today's session, again, we'll be focusing on three different sounds. Basically, we see the T sound, P sound and K sound. These are the three sounds. People are confused when they listen to somebody. So let's begin with the first one, which is a P sound. So P sound and T sound and K sound. So let's start with T sound. So T sound should be pronounced in a way Indian people pronounce is different the way people pronounce in America. For example, in America, the people say T, like a tiger, tomato, table, temperature, T, T, T. How to make a T sound? T. So you have to gently press your tongue and you have to open up your lips and you have to say T. But when you say in India, it changes. It becomes T, T, T. What I'm doing, how to make the sound by making T, T. I just strongly push my tongue towards my upper teeth. T, T, T. And then it becomes a sound like a T. We have some words in my laptop and that I'm going to read for you in Indian accent for the T sound. So how it goes, let's have a look. We say table, time, teacher, tea, 10, toy, top, town, travel, train, tall, tomato, tiger, ticket, and tool. So this was an Indian accent. Let me make one sentence on each of these words so that you would become more familiar with how people are making sentences with these kind of vocabulary. So, table. I want to keep my books on the table. Time, time, time. Can you check what the time is there in the watch? Teacher, 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 teacher. So the sentence will be, I know a teacher who is really good in teaching English. Teacher, teaching. The next word is tea, tea. I like taking tea every day in the morning. 10. There are 10 people standing in front of my house. 10 people. Now the next word is toy. The small kids always want to play with different kinds of toy. Toy. Now the next word is top. I want to go on the top of the mountain which is there in my city. Top, top, top. The next word is town. My town is really very beautiful because I like to visit different kind of places. So town. The next word is travel. Many people, they like traveling different countries. Even though if you travel to India, you will see that different kind of monuments, picture, kind of structures are there. That will definitely make you become more amazed after knowing the history part of this. The next word we have is train. Indian train is really very fast. Nowadays we are having different kind of trains in India, and Indian train, it goes very fast. The next word we have is tall. My friend is taller than me. His height is 6.5. My height is 5.9. So tall, taller. The next word we have is tomato. Tomato. The American pronunciation is tomato, but in India we say tomato. Tomatoes are really very good for the health. It has many different kind of nutrients. The next word we have is tiger. 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 So tigers are there to save because there are very less tigers are left in India. So we should save more and more tigers. The next word we have is ticket. 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 I want to buy the ticket for a Bollywood movie because the movie is in trend. Ticket and trend. The next word we have is tool. There are many AI tools available in the market to make you do your work easily. So tool. One more time, I'm going to read all these vocabulary in one go in a fast speed. You have to see that. Table, time, teacher, 10, tea, toy, top, town, travel, 10, tall, tomato, tiger, ticket, tool. Okay, so this is the pronunciation for the T sound. Now, what happens if you have T in the middle of the sentence? So we have some of the vocabulary where the T doesn't come in the front, but it comes in the middle. And what are the words? The first word we have is water. Water. we say water. So I'm going to read this first in American accent, and then I will switch my accent to India, and you will see how it changes. So water, butter, little, water, butter, little, city, better, writing, hotel, bottle, potato, winter, late, letter, 30, waiting, maintain. Now I'm going to read this in Indian accent, in a very strong Indian accent. See that. Water, butter, little, city, better, writing, hotel, bottle, potato, winter, letter, letter, 30, waiting, mountain. Okay, so see how it changes. Water. I want to drink some water. Water, 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 water. So T sound becomes very strong because you make your sound by making your tongue press on your upper teeth. T, T, T. I make sound like this. Now, what will happen if the T sound comes at the end? So we have some vocabulary that I'm going to read first in American accent, and then we'll change that into Indian. So like a cat, hate, sit, eat, hot, cut, get, food, night, boat, start, coat, light, fast, quiet. Changing them into Indian accent, how it looks. So cat, head, sit, eat, hot, cut, get, food, night, boat, start, coat, light, fast, quiet. Okay, I saw a cat. I saw a cat. I want to buy new head. You can sit down here. The coffee is very hot. I don't want to eat. I don't want to drink tea. There is a cut in the wire. Can you get me some food for me? My food are very slow. I want to go outside in a boat. My coat is having a color like black. I need to type fast. You need to be quiet for some time. So these are the vocabulary. We checked like the vocabularies are there in middle, in front, and at the end. So this is more likely the description about the T sound. Let's move on and we go for the different sounds. We can try now the P sound. How to make P, P, P. Generally the P sound is made by joining your two lips together. The P, P. But when you say in India, you say P, P, P. You just put your put your lips on your downside lip like a P, 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 and how it makes. So American accent we say pen, paper, pear, pig, pie, park, play, party, picture, and people. In India it changes. It goes with pen, paper, pear, pig, pie, park, play, party, picture, people. Okay, you saw the difference. I want to buy a pen. There is no paper in my house. The pig seems to be very beautiful. I want to visit a park nearby to my hotel. There should be a party tonight with my friends. Oh, this is a nice picture. People around me asking me one question always. So this is like a P sound. When the P comes at the middle, what will happen? We have some vocabulary. We have happy, open, apple, copy, puppy, paper, supper, cupcake, laptop, carpet, carpet. Now the P sound we change into Indian. It becomes happy, open, apple, copy, puppy, paper, supper, cupcake, laptop, carpet. When T sound comes at the end, it becomes like I directly start with the Indian accent because the video may go much longer. So we go with cup, map, top, hop, so stop, sheep, keep, slip, shop, and soup. Okay, let's try now the K sound. The K sound, how to make a K sound? It is made by your throat. You have to say K, 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 K. You have to make strong K, 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 K. And there are some vocabulary we can try, like a cat, car, cake, key, kite, king, cold, coat, cup, kind. Let me try that in American. Cat, car, cake, key, kite, king, cold, coat, cup, and kind. Changing into Indian accent, it would be cat, car, cake, key, kite, king, cold, coat, cup, and kind. Hope this will help you to be more familiar with the K sound. When the K sound comes in the middle, it will be like that. Pocket, chicken, lucky, soccer, doctor, rocket, jacket, cooking, bucket, secret. Okay, it seems to be different. Like, so when you say in American, say like a pocket, chicken, lucky, soccer, doctor, rocket, jacket, cooking, bucket, secret. Pocket, chicken, lucky, soccer, doctor, rocket, jacket, cooking, bucket, secret. So when the K sound comes at the end, what will happen? So we have some of the words over the screen now. Back, book, rock, sock, pick, look, truck, clock, back, black, duck. In American, it'd be back, book, rock, sock, pick, look, truck, clock, black, and duck. Alright, so these are the words I have pronounced for you just to make you become more familiar, and that can help you when you deal with any Indian person. You can easily understand that. So if you want me to describe or to take any topic in the next video, any special sound you want me to take or any special thing you want me to describe, I would be really very happy. You please write down your comment, and that will definitely inspire me to make more such kind of videos. Alright, so that's all for the day. Thank you so much for giving you this much of time. If you still have watched this video up to 11 minutes, then that's really nice. And before leaving this video, click on the like button as well, and just write down. Also share this video with the people who are facing or struggling with understanding Indian accent. So thank you so much. Have a happy time, and bye bye.